You're a born master manifester. You were born to manifest. That's basically the only reason you came here, to master energies, to master your mind, to master your behavior, to master your emotions, to master everything, and master your experiences because you came here to experience anything you desire. That's one of the biggest reasons why you're on this planet. So, of course, the universe didn't send you uh, unprepared. They sent you as a master manifester. You were born a master manifester. Remember, you ran the whole household. You started screaming as a baby, and everyone came running. Did he poop herself? Is she hungry? Does she need to fart? Does she need to do this? Does she need to burp? Blah, 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 blah. They took care of you 24/7, and they were like, "You're so cute. We love you." You had adult people running around you, making idiotic faces just to please you. That's how good you are. That's how brilliant you are at manifesting. And why it's not working now? Because of stories you bought into, which are not true, like fears, doubts, worries. You don't have to have them. You have them because you made a choice to believe in them. You can stop believing them this second, but I'm gonna say something and we're gonna do something different today. I'm gonna teach you how I manifested when I decided to stop listening to gurus and stop manifesting for 4 hours a day, doing the horrible things like affirmations, affirmations, and meditations and the monkey shit called EFT and everything else. I did this and it started working basically immediately. I was like, hang on. I had extremely beyond belief successful career. In my 20s, I made more money than my prime minister. Early 20s. Something's wrong here. I don't need to learn and spend 4 hours a day or 3 hours a day to manifest. I've done this before. What did I do? I just said I want job at Ford Motor Company, where I ended up being the person number four. Okay, I just said I want that. I didn't do anything. I just showed up at the interview. I gave a great interview. I answered one question correctly. That at that question, I was told everyone else failed. It was actually how to imagine something. So of course I got the job. Uh, that's how I got it. How did I get my degrees? Well, because of I just made a decision. How did I manifest speaking so many languages? Because I just fucking wanted to. And I started doing this one thing. I reverse engineered how I fucking did it. I took the best examples in my life, the biggest successes, and I reversed engineer step by step what I thought, how I felt, what I've done to get them. And do you know what I found out? Sorry, this is just too funny. That I didn't pray. I didn't spend 3 hours, 1 hour in the morning, one at lunchtime, one in the evening, writing journals, meditating, praying, asking, whistling. I just said, that would be nice to have. Let's do it. That's how you manifest. So, what I'm asking you to do, pick three best things in your life where you super succeeded, you've done really well, and dissect every single one of them and say, how did I start manifesting it? How did I get it? What did I think? How did I behave? What were my thoughts? What was my point of view? Was I, yeah, that would be nice, I don't care. Or was I, oh my God, I need to have it, I need to have it. Well, doubtful because you wouldn't get it. You would manifest it this way. So I want you to pen and paper three occasions when you manifested fantastically, and you will step by step go through each one. And remember, you can close your eyes and go right back to the scene when you received your manifestation. And I want to know exactly what you've done. How did it start? Did someone offer you a job? Or did you see it advertised in newspapers? Or did friend tell you about tell you about it? Or did you go through, agency to get the job? What did you do? How did you get to it? Why did you want to get a job? And what were the steps you took? And what were the thoughts you took? And how did you behave in the interview? Were you relaxed and, yeah, I got this, I don't care? Or how did you get this? You need to answer that. And then you need to say, bloody hell, wow, this is all it takes. I didn't know about manifesting, yet I manifested this. Well, I'm gonna fucking repeat this. I'm gonna repeat this with every single manifestation I have because I've done this and it worked, so I'm gonna do it again because I'm that good. I'm that excellent at manifesting. I'm just gonna recycle, repeat what I've already know. Because the point of manifesting isn't you buying 100 different courses, 500 different books, and keep hoping that maybe one day God, universe, and source will let you have it, please. No, you just say what you want. You consider it done, and that's the end of story. It takes literally 1 second. And the shorter and easier you do it, the faster the manifestation comes. That's an absolute promise. So now you know how to do this, people. Go and do it. It's easy. And if you want extra support, and if you want to be in a club of people who really, really are pushing the boundaries of manifestations with me, place where I invent new stuff, several new ways to manifest weekly, where the last person who joined made 25K in 3 days. Join the Manifestation HQ. There is a link down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Have fun, people. Bye-bye.